How to install Microsoft Store in Windows 10. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Microsoft Store in Windows 10. First, let me show you. I have Windows 10 on my PC. I just customized it a little bit. As you can see in the settings, my PC is eligible for installing Windows 11. So let's dive right into the topic. For installing Microsoft Store, you just need to click on this Windows button and search for PowerShell. Here is Windows PowerShell. Click on it, and here you need to paste a code. The code is here. I will drop the code in the description of this video, or you can find it in the comment section in the pin comment. So you just need to copy this code and paste it here. It may take some time to install the Microsoft Store on your PC. After completing the process, you will get a notification, or sometime in some case there will be no notification, but when the process is completed, you can simply go to your Windows icon and you will find your Microsoft Store in Explore section, or you can search for it. Here you can see I have already installed the Microsoft Store in my PC. That's how you can install Microsoft Store in Windows 10 too. Another simple way is, if you accidentally uninstall your Microsoft Store, it may stored in recycle bin. You can open up your recycle bin and find your Microsoft Store, and you can recover it again. Or if you have any reset point set it before in your PC, you can restore the reset point again to get the Microsoft Store back in your PC. That's pretty simple, right? Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.